Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explain drawing polygon having center and a radius. So by using circle, the first method that we use the edge, one of the edge to draw the polygon. Now this example, we're going to draw a polygon when we have a distance from center toward corners. Now a distance from center toward corners. Now we said that we're gonna imagine that we have a radius, a circle with a radius 10, and if you're going to draw a circle with a radius 10, it will pass through all the corners. So we said that the polygon will be inside the circle. We call it inscribed in circle. We have to use this method to draw the polygon. Now let's say you set up the drawing area. You have the drawing area there, and we want to draw this polygon. First thing first, to know the side. So the 7 side is, we have it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 side, we have it here. Then we have center, and we have a distance from center toward corner. Now in order to explain this one, I'm going to draw a circle first. Somewhere I will click with a radius 10. With radius 10. By the way, I did it fast. Let me just remind you, circle, center, radius, click somewhere for the center, radius 10. Now the polygon that we're going to draw will be inside this circle. We call it inscribed in circle. Why? Because from center of this circle to the corner of the polygon that will come somewhere will be exactly 10. We will see it in a bit. Now I need you to practice in this manner when you're trying to draw polygon, especially when you have center and the distance from center toward the corner or toward the midpoint of the edge. I always recommend students to draw a circle the way that we're doing it on the paper, at least to know if you're drawing the polygon correctly. We'll go to select polygon, the icon here, polygon. They will ask us number of sides, 7 we have at this time. Then they'll ask me specify center of polygon. Now for center of polygon, if you draw a circle, you just come over the circle, don't click, just hover the mouse over the circle. You shall see the plus sign, which stands for the center. We'll click there. So one click to provide, we'll tell AutoCAD, yes, use this center as the center of polygon, because we said that the center of polygon, the center of the circle will lies over each other. So we're going to click on this plus sign. If you don't save this plus sign, let me just show it to you. Say you write 7, you don't see this plus sign, yes, you have to bring the mouse close to the circle, then come back, you'll see the plus sign. We'll click there for the center. Now as soon as you click, it will ask you into an option: inscribed in circle, circumscribed about circle. Does the polygon you want to draw, is it going to be inside this circle or will be outside of this circle? So which one is it? You have to choose. Remember, this is depend on what we have. Now reminder, what we have here, we draw a circle with 10. The circle that we have it, let's just adjust it. If I can make it, this will be the circle that we have it. It will pass through all the corners. So what does that mean? It means that the polygon that we're going to draw will be inscribed in circle. So in the option that we have it, when AutoCAD is asking me, do you want inscribed or circumscribed, I will click on the inscribed in circle. Look, you have to click here, bring the mouse over here and click. Now it will ask you what? Specify radius of circle. It will ask you that, give me the radius of the circle that you want me to put this polygon inside it. Well, the radius of the circle we have it is 10. We'll type 10, hit enter. You'll see that Look, the polygon is within the circle, inscribed in circle. What would happen if I choose differently? Let me repeat this one. We'll ask here number of side 7. Then we'll ask you specify center of polygon. We'll select the center of the polygon. Then we'll ask us which one is it. Is it inscribed or circumscribed? I know that the polygon will be inside here, so I'll say inscribed in circle. Then it will tell me that specify radius of circle. Radius of circle will be 10, and you shall see the polygon inside it. This is a polygon. Then we can simply delete the circle because the circle was just used to be sure that we drew the polygon correctly. If you don't have this circle, you don't know whether you drew it correctly or not. So I always recommend to have the circle before drawing the polygon to be sure that the polygon that you have it is what you want. Now, let me draw this polygon. Okay. Let me draw this polygon. 7 side, center will be here. What will happen if I choose circumscribed above circle? Still ask me, the radius will be 10. You will see that the polygon is outside of the circle. So imagine if you don't have the circle, you don't know that if this is correct or not. You don't know it. Because there is no any other dimension. Yes, how do you check? You have to measure from center to this point. Where is the center? So you have to find the center. Okay, this is the center, and the center toward this, you realize it's 11. Look, it's 11. This distance is 11. It's not 10. Why? Because we chose a wrong option to draw it. So remember, from the center to corner, the circle will pass through the point, or we shall say that the polygon will be inside the circle, and that option in AutoCAD we call it inscribed in circle. This is how we use inscribed in circle. In the next video we shall explain this one, which will be different than what you call circumscribed above circle. Thanks for watching.